Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today I'm going to give you a quick first look and unboxing and walkthrough of the all new Google Pixel 4, and we also have the Nest Mini in as well. So we're going to start with the Pixel, and this is what the box is looking like on the back. Comes in a couple of colours. You have teampixel on top and the Google branding there, Google logo on top, and the usual what you can find on the Google box. So straight away you are presented with the phone, so we'll take that out for a minute and see what else we get inside. So you're going to get your USB-C to USB-C cable, your adapter, micro or USB-C to USB-C-A, and in here we have got our plug, and that's basically it. It's all in the box. There is no earbuds bundled this time around. And in here we have our SIM removal tool, our user guide, and some warranty information, and no Google stickers. So we'll pop all that back in here and put it out of the way, and onto the phone itself. And there we have it in all its glory. So feels really nice in the hand straight away. Feels a lot stronger than last year's Pixel 3a, which we're still using. Size wise it's actually smaller in height, but width and thickness is about the same, and we do have a chin and a forehead. You have your earpiece up here and your speaker, your front facing camera there, and on the bottom we have got our speaker grid, USB-C, SIM tray here. On the back we have this nice finish here. We've got this new square array camera, which is similar to the iPhone. So instead of a single lens, this time Google have doubled up some more. As you can see the difference there between the two. Also that you'll see is there's no fingerprint sensor, which there isn't on this device at all, as it's working just off the face unlock. So different move from Google. We have our power on key here and our volume toggles here, slightly raised, and just a comparison to the 3A you can see there. And as you can see, given that it is black in colour, the fingerprints don't show up in it too much, which is a good thing. So feels really good first off, and there is a hump on the camera as you would expect, but not probably about the same as the 3A, but nonetheless pretty nice. So if you look at them side by side, the 3A is actually taller than the Pixel 4, and we have a nice setup here. So it looks really nice. Feels a lot more premium than the 3A does, and this is a phone I'm still using today, and it's been great over the last couple of months, and I really like it, so I'm looking forward to getting into this. So after the break, what we're going to do is we're going to go and have a quick look through the UI and so on, and show you what's there. We'll speak to you in a minute.